When I was a child, I used to lie on the grass in my backyard, staring up at the night sky. I would watch the stars twinkling like tiny diamonds scattered across a dark velvet cloth, and I remember wondering what was out there. It seemed so vast, so mysterious, and I would dream about what it might be like to travel among those stars, to explore the unknown. Little did I know that these dreams I had were shared by scientists and explorers around the world, people who worked tirelessly to turn the dream of space exploration into reality. Today, we stand on the brink of a new age of discovery, one that promises to take us further than ever before. Imagine for a moment you're stepping onto the surface of Mars. The ground beneath your feet is dusty and barren, a reddish-brown landscape that stretches endlessly toward the horizon. The air is thin, and you can feel the weight of your spacesuit pressing down on you with every step. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's an experience that we are getting closer to every day. NASA, along with private companies like SpaceX, is actively working on missions that aim to put humans on Mars within the next few decades. The goal isn't just to visit, but to settle, to create a new home away from home. As thrilling as it sounds, the journey to Mars is no small feat. Picture Earth, our blue and green marble, sitting comfortably in the cosmos. To reach Mars, we must travel around 140 million miles through the cold vacuum of space. The trip itself could take up to 9 months, and that's just one way. Imagine being in a spacecraft for that long, with only a few other travelers and the hum of machines as company. It's like the ultimate road trip, except instead of stopping for rest breaks, you're calculating how to survive in a tin can, hurtling through nothingness. While the idea of colonizing Mars is captivating, it's not just about finding a new place to live. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know, about understanding our universe more deeply. Think about the earliest explorers on Earth, those who crossed oceans on rickety ships, seeking new lands. They knew that every voyage was a leap into the unknown, a chance to learn and to grow. Space exploration is much the same. Only now our ships are more advanced, and the oceans we cross are vast stretches of space. But let's not forget about the other wonders waiting to be discovered. The moon, for instance, is regaining attention as a key stepping stone for further space exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, including the first woman and the next man. Why go back, you might ask? The moon serves as a proving ground for technologies that will need to reach destinations like Mars. It's a place where we can learn how to live and work on another world, how to use resources like lunar ice to produce water and fuel. It's a place to prepare for the grander journeys that lie ahead. Now cast your thoughts further into the universe, and you find the gas giants, like Jupiter and Saturn, with their swirling storms and tantalizing moons. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, hides a vast ocean under its icy crust. Scientists believe that this ocean might harbor life, or at least the conditions for it. Can you imagine finding another form of life in our solar system? It would be one of the greatest discoveries in the history of humanity, reshaping our understanding of life itself. But these bold steps come with challenges, each more complex than the last. Space is a harsh place. Radiation levels are high, temperatures are extreme, and the lack of atmosphere presents unique challenges. It requires innovative solutions and the collective effort of countless people. Engineers, scientists, mathematicians, and dreamers are all part of this grand journey, united by a shared vision of exploring the stars. It's not just about scientists and engineers, though. There are artists and writers who capture the wonder of space, teachers who inspire the next generation of explorers, and everyday people like you and me who look up at the night sky and wonder, what if? What if we could journey to the stars? What if we could touch the surface of another world? We live in a time where technology allows us to imagine and sometimes even realize the impossible. The phone in your pocket is more powerful than the computers that sent Apollo astronauts to the moon. That's a testament to how far we've come, and it sparks hope for how much further we can go. So as I sit here, reflecting on those childhood nights spent stargazing, I realize that space exploration is more than just reaching the stars. It's about understanding our place in the universe, about striving to be more than we are today. It's about curiosity, the drive to learn, and the courage to step into the unknown. This journey is just beginning, and it invites all of us to be a part of it, to share in the wonder and excitement of exploring the great beyond. As we look forward, let's remember to keep our eyes on the stars and our hearts filled with curiosity. Who knows what we'll discover next? Perhaps, one day, that child lying on the grass will be you or someone you know, looking up into the night sky, dreaming not just of the stars, but of a future where humanity truly belongs to the cosmos.